Hey everyone! In today's quick guide, we're going to talk about how to stream Zeus on an LG Smart TV. If you've searched for the Zeus app on your LG Smart TV and couldn't find it, here's why and what you can do instead. As of now, Zeus is not available as a native app on LG Smart TV devices. That means you won't be able to install it directly from the LG Content Store like you would with other popular apps. But don't worry, there's still a workaround if you want to enjoy Zeus on your big screen. First, you'll need to sign up for a Zeus subscription through their website or mobile app. Once your account is set up, the easiest way to stream Zeus on your LG TV is by using a compatible device. You can use Amazon Fire TV, Roku, Apple TV, Android TV, Google Chromecast, or even a Samsung, Sony, or Vizio Smart TV that supports the Zeus app. If you don't have any of these, another option is to cast Zeus from your phone or tablet to the LG TV, provided your TV supports screen mirroring or you have Chromecast built in. Simply open the Zeus app on your mobile device, play the content you want to watch, and use the cast or screen share feature to send it to your LG screen. Alternatively, you can connect your laptop to the LG Smart TV using an HDMI cable. Then, just log into Zeus on your web browser and play your content. It's a simple plug-and-play solution that works reliably. So while there isn't a direct Zeus app for LG Smart TVs yet, with a few extra steps or devices, you can still enjoy your favorite Zeus shows on the big screen. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more TV and streaming guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.